Okay guys, I have a 2006 Toyota RAV4. Got the infamous clunking noise in the front end, which almost feels like sway bar end links or bad struts, bad lower control arm bushings. There is a Toyota service bulletin out that says replace the power steering rack or gearbox because there's looseness inside of it. So instead of doing that, here's the fix. Save you guys some money. I ended up having to loosen the subframe bolts. There's only 4 of them, 2 on each side. This one right here, I didn't drop it down much. It's got a bracket on each side for the subframe. Loosen that one, loosen that one. I loosened the bolts that go through. They bolt the power steering rack down to the subframe. There's only 2 of them. And then ended up taking the mount, rear mount through bolt, which goes right here. You can see I didn't have to jack it up much, but I did use a engine support. Lift it up and then pried this little guy up. So what you do is take that little lock nut outer ring off right there, or loosen it, and then tighten the inner. It doesn't have to be tight, just hand tight, just to get the looseness out, and then re-tighten that lock washer. Tighten everything else back up, and you'll be good to go. That should take care of your problem.